Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 Toys Review here, back with yet another mini GT video, and in today's video we will be checking out the Nissan Skyline GTR V-Spec N2 V-Spec 2 and 1. So this is basically in white, as you can see right there, and yeah, there is the car right there at the side view of the car. It says Mini GT number 501. So it says GTR right here, and the other side is Mini GT. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this one up. Oh yeah, I forgot to show the back. There is the back, licensed by Nissan, TSM model, and there's that if you want. And oh yeah, this is right hand drive. So yeah, pretty cool to see that. And yeah, let's go ahead and open this one up. So this is my second GTR that I've gone from Mini GT. So the first one was actually in Bayside Blue, and this time we have it in this metallic white. So yeah, let's put it on the turntable first. Here it is. Love to see it. So yeah, it's more to that JDM look. Kind of reminds me also like what Eno 64 has done with some sort of similar type of white paint job with a carbon fiber hood. Same thing happens here. It's actually the same thing as the one in Bayside Blue that I have. The same version, just that it doesn't actually have a front splitter or maybe a rear diffuser or anything, a big spoiler. No, it's just the same thing, just that it changes the hood with a carbon fiber hood, which is not too bad, to be honest. It's pretty nice. I love the car in white. Looks pretty awesome. Overall, sides doesn't really have anything, but yeah, let's take a look at the car itself. So first things first, love the 6-spoke rims on the car itself. Looks pretty nice right there, in sort of like that silver gray color right there. Nice to see that. So the side overall really clean, very nice. Love to see that. And yeah, let's move on to the front. You have the plastic headlights, which yeah, R34 headlights, you can clearly tell. It says GTR right there, and then you have the front grille and all, even the blinker lights right there. And for the hood, it is covered in this sort of like carbon fiber texture, I believe, which is cool to see, even though it's on a Mini GT. That is pretty insane and pretty nice. And the roof, it doesn't really have anything on the roof or anything. But yeah, this has rubber plastic side windows, which are yeah, pretty good. Here's the other side if you want to know. There it is. And yeah, let's move on to the back. You have the red rear lights right there, obviously the circle rear lights right there, which are pretty nice. And yeah, overall not too bad. You have the average normal spoiler that you normally see on the R34, but yeah, overall pretty nice. Let's move on to the base. Mini GT made in China. Oh yeah, this has a black interior and less tinted windows, which are not too bad. Overall pretty nice, pretty cool. Just gonna do like that. Maybe park it like this. And yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Nissan GTR R34 Skyline. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Overall, love the color. It's quite a clean car. Love to see it. It's very nice, I would say. Looks really JDM-ish, and overall really powerful, and basically it has the whole elements to it. Even the carbon fiber hood looks pretty nice. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Nissan Skyline GTR V-Spec 2 and 1 in white. But once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. see my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.